Right, for this little demonstration, I brought down the bedside table lamp, this baby here, and it has a standard bulb in it. On off, that's it basically. So that's what we're going to be using for this little demo. So here it is. This is from a company called TECKIN, and it's a LED smart bulb. This is the model SB53, and it comes in two different types. It comes with the screw-in one, which is what this is, because that's a screw-in, and it comes with the bayonet connection as well. Slightly different models. You've got the E27 for the screw-in and the B22 for the bayonet connection. It works with, she will not be named, because she will wake up and start whinging and talking to me, and the other one is compatible with Google Assistant. So, but you have, before you do that, you need to download the app, and it's got a barcode on the side, as you can see there, and it says the App Store or Google Play. So you need to go to one of the others, and you need to download and install an app called Smart Life app, and you need to register, do all your usual stuff, set it all up, get it ready. And then once you've done that, once you've installed it and you've registered, then you can try and connect your light. But you must make sure, and it says on here, connect your phone to the 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, a stable environment. And basically what they're saying is, if you've got it set up, if you've got your router set up for 5 gigahertz, it will not connect. It has to be 2.4. It will not connect to a 5. If you're using dual band, like I do sometimes, or I have at the moment, well actually I just turned it off, it probably won't work as well. So you need to make sure you set it for 2.4, right? That's very important. If you don't do that, you're going to be messing about with it for hours. So, and that's about it. The turn on the bulb, and it tells you what to do. So basically you've got to turn on the bulb, you've got to turn it off, on, and it should flash. So it should start flashing to set it all up. So we're not going to go through the process of setting it up, because I don't want to bore you, but we're just going to see if it works. So I'll probably skip the setup. Let's have a look, see what you get for your money, honey. So you get some paperwork. What's this little baby here? Dear Mr. or Mrs. I would like to thank you. So that's a little thank you card. Says hello, TECKIN. I'm not going to bother reading that. How to share your shopping experience. So obviously they want you to do a review on Amazon if you can. Hey, wait, here is a great gift for you. Oh, you can get a free gift. A clip-on lamp. Oh, one of them. Interesting. And obviously the instructions, the usual manual. And that's going to probably tell you basically what you got on the side of the box. Looking at it, setting Smart Life app, step 1. So it tells you step by step what to do. Let's have a look at the bulb itself. Oh, and it's in there quite tight actually. Come on. Okay. So there you go. Oh, it says TECKIN on the bulb. It feels engraved. Feels quite nice. Got quite a weight to it actually. Looks like nice quality. Now I'll give it that. Yeah. So we're going to take the bulb out of this one. Better put it somewhere safe. I don't want to lose the thing. So there's the old one. So quite a difference in size, but don't forget this is RGB basically. Feels good, and that should be it. So I'm going to go and do the setup, and when I've finished doing the setup, I'll show you what it looks like. Right, I've done the setup, and let's turn it on. Oh, looks very nice, and it works off my app. So I've installed the app, and you can either use this app, you can use your Alexa, or you can use your Google one as well. It's up to you. But I found that when I used my Alexa, she was it didn't have as many options as the app that you have to download to set it all up with. Which let me find it, and I'll quickly show you. So it's called Smart Life. And it's quite easy to set up, but like I said earlier, you must do 2.4. We'll not run on 5 gigahertz, only 2.4. So I've just called it a smart lamp because I didn't know what room it's going to go on or go in or whatever. So you can go into settings, you can turn it on and off. Oops, and I've just broke it. There it goes. Sorry. So we got it on scene mode at the moment. So it's got 8 little scenes. You've got one called Gorgeous, and I think that's the one I've got it on. Yeah, I've got it on Gorgeous. I'll turn the light off so you get a better view. So we had that on Gorgeous. Then you've got Shine. Not sure what Shine does. I better turn this light off as well. Oh, it turned. Oh, I thought it went off by itself. So this is Shine. We've got Rainbow. Rainbow just goes for the colours by looking at it. Yeah? Well, it's quite good, doesn't it? Well, I'm hoping it's coming up nice and clear, you know, with the lights on. Then we've got Soft. This is soft mode. Is that soft mode? And we've got Leisure. Leisure. We've got a meeting mode. Apparently that's a meeting mode. Then you've got Read, so you want to do a bit of reading. And then you've got nighttime mode. Okay, so that's them little themes you got down there. Hopefully they'll add some more in the future. And then you've got a colour mode. So if you want to go colour mode, you can do saturation. So that's on yellow at the moment. So you can turn that right down. So that just gives you a white. So you can turn it up and get, you know, sort of colour. And then you've got brightness. So that's the minimum. Goes down right down to 1%. And all the way back up to 100%. And you can just move the colours around until you get your desired colour, whatever colour you want. And it's pretty cool. Yeah, that's really cool. I like that. And if you want to turn it off, ding, press of a button. Or better still, oh, if you, there's another mode, I've forgot, there's one more mode, it's called white mode. And you might want to turn brightness down, you know, just, especially if it's in the bedroom, you know, just a chill out sort of mode, you know. Turn that up, turn that down. You can play about with it, you know, to your heart's consent. So I think it looks really good. What we do, we'll ask her to turn it off, shall we? Alexa, turn lamp off. Thank you. Alexa, turn lamp on. Really easy. So it's a good little toy. What colour are we going for? Going for a nice red or a nice blue. I quite like blue. Turn the brightness down a little bit and saturation. You can play about this all day long, couldn't you? And it's also got a timer. I did say that earlier. A timer. I've not tried the timer yet, but obviously it's got a timer on it, and you know you can set it to come on or go off. I think that's really cool. It's called schedule. It says schedule there. No timer added, and then it says add. So we're not going to add. So yeah, I'm going to turn the light back on. So what do I think about it? It costs just under £18 for the light bulb, and I think it's really interesting. I'm looking forward to getting some more. It's not cheap. You know, if you're going to do the whole house in these sort of light bulbs, it's going to cost you an absolute fortune. So my advice to you would be to buy one at a time as and when you need them, or you want to upgrade a room and do it like that. You know, because they are going to be very expensive. I'm not sure how long these light bulbs last neither. Hopefully a long time. But yeah, there's a lot of options to it. It's really easy to play about. It's quite easy to set up. Obviously you've got to put your details in now and allow it to team up with Amazon Alexa or the Google one, whatever one you're using, or if you're using both, get them to work together. It's quite easy to do, but again, I can't emphasize, it must be on 2.4 gigahertz. It will not work on 5 gigahertz. Trust me, I've tried it. Just out of curiosity, I couldn't get it to work. So with that, does it get my Yorkies thumbs up? Yes, it does. I'm very pleased with it. I think the colours look really good, and I like the fact the white does actually look like white. I've seen some of these in the shops and they look yellowy, they don't look white, but when this went on to white, it did look white, and I'll quickly show you again. White mode. That definitely looks like white to me. So yeah, I'm very pleased with it. It definitely gets my thumbs up, and if this video gets your thumbs up, give me the thumbs up. And if it didn't, give me the thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. I'm going to put it in colour mode just for the hell of it. You know, you have a bit of fun. And I'll leave it running. With the rainbow.